Hi again. We're going to work inside today. It's kind of a yucky day, and we have tomatoes that need transplanting. Some of you have asked about how to do this, so here's how we do it. If you planted seeds last week, you probably have some tomatoes that are germinating right now, and this is what they're going to look like. That's called the seed leaf. Those first two leaves are the seed leaves. But in about 2 weeks, they will be more like this. They'll be starting to get their true leaves that look actually like tomato plant leaves. And you can see how crowded they are in this community pot. So they need to come out and be separated and put into individual pots like this so that they can spread out and grow. The way we do that is, need a nice dull pencil. And you just grab them right out of there. Put them in your handy dandy tray. I knew there was a reason why you saved those. Keep your labels so that you know what you've got, because it's so easy to get them mixed up. We do about 1,500 tomato plants a year, so of about, I don't know, over 100 different varieties. So it's easy to get things mixed up, and we like to keep them straight. So you're going to separate them into individual plants. Be very gentle with these, because if you break that stem, game is over. They're not going to rejuvenate. And you're going to make a hole in here, in your dirt, and you're going to just sort of push the roots down to the bottom. Get those seed leaves as close to the top of the soil as you can, because you don't want to have all that stem sticking up, because that's just an opportunity for it to break. So if you've overplanted the way we do, you can go through and pick out the best, strongest looking ones and just shove them in there. And there you go. This is when our plants get their first drink of fertilizer. We use a fish and seaweed liquid fertilizer, which you can get at Agway. And we also put in a little bit of our secret sauce, which is the juice from our worm bin. And if you're curious about the worm bin, we can talk about that another week. So they're going to get a little drink, just to water them in well. And then they're going to go back under the lights. And I wish I had some down here that I could show you.
Go ahead.
So this is what they're going to look like after you have transplanted them and put them back under the light for another week. They only need a couple more weeks in the house and under lights, and pretty soon you'll be able to harden them off and put them out in your garden.